Hi!
Hello!
For today's video, we will discover the hidden paradise of Carles, Iloilo, Philippines!
Ganun.
Carles is a town that quickly gaining popularity.
Known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and pristine islands.
Maayong adlaw, Ilonggo!
So maaga pa kami nagbiyahe papuntang Carles, Iloilo.
A vacation treat for my lovable mommy.
Siyempre, deserve niya gid ini.
Just as we take vacations to rejuvenate and recharge and spend quality time together with her. So I decided to book our 3 days and 2 nights at Solina Beach and Nature Resort. A 15 minutes ride from Balasan Terminal going to Solina.
O diba? No hassle, besh. They are located pala sa barangay 𝐂𝐀𝐑𝐋𝐿, Carles, Iloilo along Balasan, Carles Provincial Road.
Why I choose Solina? Aside from very convenient and accessible transportation,
Solina Beach and Nature Resort is the first and only premier resort in Carles, Iloilo.
This resort is located in the northern tip of Iloilo, is the ideal jump-off point of travelers to a magical island of Gigantes.
This 7.8-hectare gateway has 16 villas, 14 premier rooms, 8 pods, 25 cabin tents, and 7 honeymoon suites.
Kahit isang barangay pa kayo, besh,
Literal na maa-accommodate kayo talaga ng Solina.
So, we book our 2 nights at premier rooms or puluyan.
These 41 square meter premier rooms are nestled with picturesque 2-story building.
It features a generous balcony with the views of the sea. You can also choose either 2 queen beds or 1 king bed.
This room is also have 43 inches LCD TV,
Mini bar, and electronic safe.
This room is very perfect for couples and families that looking for spacious and comfortable accommodations.
Nakakapagod ng salita, besh. What I really amazed with this place, kapag gabi, besh, cause it turns into magnificent night. I-try nyo din na gumala pag gabi sa resort. Masarap magmuni-muni, besh. Huy, cherries!
To celebrate our first night here, I availed their special bonfire at night for only 1,500 per request. And take note po, free po yung bonfire at night nila every Friday and Saturday, 8:30 to 9 p.m. And to add this perfect night, a romantic setup dinner prepared by Anga Restaurant. And to complete the bonfire dinner experience, a marshmallow for toasting. I would like to thank Miss AA and Solina team for this surprise bonfire dinner for my mom. Thank you for making it a night to remember. And that's it. Thank you for watching my episode 1 of Carles Adventure. Watch out for my episode 2, day 2, as we bring you to the hidden paradise island of Carles, Iloilo. Thank you for watching. Keep on touch. Bye!